Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding the right biome, bamboo jungle. Walk or use your map and compass to reach coordinates that match jungle terrain. Once done, scan for tall bamboo clusters and dense leaves. Pandas require that canopy. Make sure to carry bamboo to breed or attract them, and a boat to cross rivers quickly. Moving now into the jungle saves time. Do not waste daylight exploring plains first. This step puts you directly where pandas can appear, increasing spawn chances immediately. You need to understand spawn rules to find pandas efficiently. They appear on grass blocks inside bamboo jungles when bamboo is present, so scan ground level and clear low foliage if needed. Make sure the light level is reasonably high. Daytime is best, because low light suppresses natural spawning. Once you spot one, use bamboo to lure it slowly, or place a boat to pick it up for transport. If you plan to breed, feed 2 adult pandas, bamboo once near each other, to prompt mating. You finish by securing and breeding the pandas you found. Place a fenced pen on grass blocks with abundant bamboo inside, then lead or boat pandas into the enclosure. Feed 2 adult pandas bamboo to spawn a cub. Keep them safe from fall damage and hostile mobs. If you don't find any pandas, move to another jungle chunk, reload the area by leaving and re-entering, or check seed maps. Chunk generation affects spawns. Troubleshoot by ensuring bamboo is present and light levels are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.